How to add multiple edge panels in your Android. Now, if you want to add multiple edge panels instead of one in your Android, you just simply need to go over your settings app and scroll down until you find the option of display. Then select the display option from here and again scroll down to find edge panels and tap to it. Now, after coming to the edge panels option, you will see option of panels. Now, in order to add multiple of it, simply tap to panels option and then choose whichever panels that you would like to add in your edge panels. Simply select the option which you would like to add. You can add multiple of these panels in your edge panel. You can also remove it by tapping into those one time. As you can see here, I have added 3 of them. Now, if you scroll to the edge panel, you will get different panels every time you scroll. As you can see here, I have 3 different panels now. Like this, you can also add multiple edge panels in your Android phone. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.